Good morning to all. Myself, Professor R.R. Borse, being the Training and Placement Coordinator from English Department, BPR's SMA Science and KKC Commerce College, I welcome all of you. I would like to welcome the Principal of our college and today's President, Dr. M.V. Bildikar Sir. I welcome IQOC Coordinator and Vice Principal of our college, Professor Ajay Kate Sir. I welcome today's resource person and my good friend, Professor Vijay Shrisad Sir from NYNC College, Chalisgaon. I also welcome Professor P.R. Patil Sir, the head of English department, along with my colleague, Professor Salman Pathan Sir. At the last, I would like to welcome the student participants from the department. Friends, we are the knowledge seekers of English language and literature. And we know the importance of communication in today's corporate world is undeniable. Being the most commonly used language in the business world, English has unmatched worth. A person equipped with a set of English language proficiency can smoothly excel in any field in the world since he is able to convey the technical skills he retains in an effective manner. These language skills can help him in securing better job opportunities as compared to someone who possesses technical skills only. Being a citizen of India where English is not a native language, having a good grasp of English language can create countless opportunities for an individual. English is the role of the official language, which increases its importance significantly. Before you step into the professional world, you need good communication skills in the English language to ace your interviews. Leaving a good first impression is significant in the job interviews. So, being able to chat in the English language will give you an edge in your job interviews. Almost every field in the market, ranging from management to sales and marketing scenario, requires decent English language skills. To gain this skill, we opted English for our graduation and post-graduation. Now, the students are having graduation and post-graduation degree in their hands. So what next? To answer this burning question, the English department has arranged this program of career opportunities in English in collaboration with IQAC under Training and Placement Cell of BPR's SMA Science and KKC Commerce College, Chalisgaon. Friends, we know that career counseling is an essential factor for identifying the real potential and guiding students towards a right career path. Students need to know the importance of career coaching and right guidance before they are going to choose an stream after taking the degree. So the program aims to offer career counseling, which will be helpful for students of English choosing a career goal, planning, and give a direction to students for a better future ahead. So it is our sincere attempt to aware the students to pick correct and suitable domains as a career option along with the available other new areas of career options as per their interests and stream of academics. So taking not much time, I would like to invite Professor P.R. Patil Sir, the head of the department, for the introductory speech. As we know that today's cutthroat competition demands a guidance of English language and literature. So The main intention of arranging this program is nothing but the career counseling. As we know that many students are confused when they get graduate and postgraduate degrees in their hands. They are confused what to do next. So most of them, they opt for the traditional courses, right? But as we know that time is changing and these traditional courses, they fail to offer the career opportunities for students. So it is our sincere attempt to guide the students regarding choosing the right career path after having graduation and post-graduation degrees. We are just moving towards Professor P.R. Patil sir in a few minutes. Over to P.R. Patil sir.
Respected principal and president of today's function, Dr. M. Leader, Vice Principal, Dr. P. S. Baviskar, Vice Principal, Professor A. Kate, my colleagues in the department, and today's resource person, Professor Vijay Sirsat, and dear participating students. I welcome you all on behalf of English department. Friends, today's function, today's program, organized by the Department of English in collaboration with IQAC, is a lecture on career opportunities in English language and literature after completion of graduation and post-graduation. Friends, this program is organized by our department for the benefit of our students. It is a career guidance initiative taken by the department. Friends, as all of you know, that the department is very active to take such academic and pro-student activities throughout the year for our students. People often think that the students who pursue degree in English language and literature can opt only for traditional career options like teaching in either in secondary schools or college or junior college. But friends, there are many career options open for the students of English because the age-old and traditional belief that English literature and English language opens new career options which are unknown to our students who are from villages or multi-cell area. That's why the Department of English decided to arrange a lecture of the expert in the field. Friends, my young friend Professor Vijay Sirsat from our neighboring college is well versed in different career options after completion of degree in English language and literature. English degree holders can achieve better communication skills, including written and oral skills. Most of the employers in the job market always look for such skilled manforce or workforce. Therefore, many career options rather than the traditional are open for English degree holders like teachers, lecturers, anchors, newspaper editors, public relation officers, copywriters, social service through NGOs, librarian, and many more. Friends, I will not speak in detail on all these options as my young friend and today's resource person going to speak on the topic debate. And you will get lot of useful information, and I am sure that the lecture will prove very fruitful, very useful, very beneficial for all of you searching your career option in future. My young friend, Professor Vijay Sirsar, is very interested in guiding the students regarding their career options in future, because most of our students, they don't know other options after completion of degree. I'm sure that all the students will actively participate and listen the lecture very carefully, so that it will be beneficial for them in future. So I again appeal all of you to participate and listen the lecture very carefully for your own benefit. Friends, with these words, I sum up my preface and give all the best to all of you. Thanks.
Thank you, Pierre Producer, for the introductory speech. Now, I would like to call IQAC Coordinator and Vice Principal, Professor Ajay Kate sir, to share his views. Over to Ajay Kate sir.
धन्यवाद बोरसे सर. माझा आवाज येतोय?
Yes, sir.
थँक्यू. आज आपल्या महाविद्यालयातील डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इंग्लिश आणि IQAC अंडर ट्रेनिंग अँड प्लेसमेंट ऑफिसच्या विद्यमाने आयोजित या वेबिनारसाठी आपल्यामध्ये उपस्थित असलेले आमच्या महाविद्यालयाचे प्राचार्य आणि या वेबिनारचे अध्यक्ष माननीय डॉक्टर बिल्दीकर सर, त्याचबरोबर ज्यांचं मार्गदर्शन आज आपल्या विद्यार्थ्यांना या ठिकाणी होणार आहे ते आमच्या शेजारील महाविद्यालयातील प्राध्यापक आणि आमचे मित्र शिरसाट सर, या वेबिनारसाठी उपस्थित असलेले इंग्रजी डिपार्टमेंटचे विभाग प्रमुख PR पाटील सर, त्यांचे सहकारी बोरसे सर, सलमान पठाण सर, त्याचबरोबर उपस्थित असलेले सर्व प्राध्यापक बंधू भगिनी आणि विद्यार्थी मित्रांनी, त्यांचं शिक्षण पूर्ण केल्यानंतर त्यांना अधिकाधिक चांगले जॉब्स त्या ठिकाणी उपलब्ध असावेत, त्यांचं चांगल्या पद्धतीने करिअर घडावं या दृष्टिकोनातून प्रत्येक प्राध्यापक हा त्याच्या परीने त्या ठिकाणी प्रयत्नरत असतो. मात्र बऱ्याचदा असं लक्षात येतं की आपले विद्यार्थी जे ग्रॅज्युएट झाल्यानंतर, पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट झाल्यानंतर जेव्हा बाहेर पडतात त्यावेळेस त्यांना अधिक चांगल्या जॉब ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज त्या ठिकाणी उपलब्ध होत नाही. आणि त्या मागचं जेव्हा रिझन त्या ठिकाणी आपण पाहतो त्यावेळेस बऱ्याचदा असं लक्षात येतं की त्यांना योग्य असं गायडन्स त्या ठिकाणी, आणि मग ही कमतरता लक्षात आल्यानंतर आमच्या प्राचार्यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली आपण आपल्या महाविद्यालयामध्ये या वर्षापासून ट्रेनिंग अँड प्लेसमेंट सेल या ठिकाणी सुरू केलेला आहे की ज्याच्या अंडर वेगवेगळ्या विषयांमध्ये ग्रॅज्युएट होणारे किंवा पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएट होणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना अधिक चांगल्या पद्धतीचं करिअर त्या ठिकाणी घडवता यावं या दृष्टिकोनातून त्यांना मार्गदर्शन उपलब्ध होईल यासाठी त्या विभागांनी त्या ठिकाणी जर प्रयत्नरत राहिलं तर ते विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी अधिक चांगलं होईल या दृष्टिकोनातून आपल्या महाविद्यालयाच्या प्रत्येक विभागामध्ये अशा पद्धतीने ट्रेनिंग अँड प्लेसमेंट ऑफिसर या ठिकाणी आपण नियुक्त करून ट्रेनिंग अँड प्लेसमेंट ऑफिसच्या अंडर हे काम आपण या ठिकाणी करतोय. प्राचार्यांच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाली डॉक्टर राहुल कुलकर्णी हे त्या विभागाचे प्रमुख म्हणून काम पाहत आहेत आणि IQAC अंडर हे संपूर्ण काम चालू असताना जवळपास बऱ्याचशा विभागांनी अशा पद्धतीचे कार्यक्रम या ठिकाणी घेतलेत. अनेक चांगल्या व्यक्तींचं मार्गदर्शन आपल्या विद्यार्थ्यांना या ठिकाणी या निमित्ताने होतंय. आज इंग्रजी विभागाने देखील त्यासाठी एक पाऊल पुढे टाकलं. यासाठी मी इंग्रजी विभागाचे विभाग प्रमुख आणि त्यांचे सहकारी या सर्वांचं या ठिकाणी मी अभिनंदन करतो. या वेबिनारसाठी आपल्यामध्ये उपस्थित असणाऱ्या आजचे व्याख्याते शिरसाट सर आणि त्याचबरोबर सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचं देखील या वेबिनारसाठी मी या ठिकाणी IQACच्या वतीने या ठिकाणी पुन्हा एकदा स्वागत करतो. आणि शिरसाट सरांकडून इंग्रजी विषयामध्ये आपल्याला जर करिअर घडवायचं असलं तर आपल्या डोळ्यासमोर पारंपरिक ज्या काही 1-2 पद्धती आहेत की टीचर त्या ठिकाणी होता येईल किंवा खासगी क्लासेस त्या ठिकाणी करता येतील, या व्यतिरिक्त देखील अधिकाधिक चांगली माहिती, चांगलं गायडन्स आपल्याला शिरसाट सरांकडून या ठिकाणी उपलब्ध होईल अशी मी आशा करतो आणि थांबतो. धन्यवाद. बोरसे सर.
Thank you, Honorable Ajay Kate sir, for your support and inspiration. Now, I would like to invite Honorable Principal of our college, Dr. M.V. Bildikar sir, for the formal inauguration and the presidential speech. Over to Bildikar sir, please.
Today's guest, Professor Vijayji Shirsat sir, Head of our Postgraduate English Department, Professor P.R. Patil, coordinator of today's webinar, Professor R.R. Bose, our young and enthusiastic teacher, Salman Pathan, all the IQAC coordinator, other vice principal, Ajay Ji Kate, and all the young students. Actually, Professor Bose sir and Patil sir and Kate sir has explained the ideas behind this webinar. First of all, I must say that this webinar has been inaugurated. This is a very important webinar as far as the student's career is concerned. Teaching and learning methodologies are there now. We are adopting the different teaching learning methodologies and teaching to our students. We are imparting the knowledge to students. We are giving the knowledge to students. But we should ensure that this knowledge should be utilized by the students. And so how they utilize what they get, what they extract the knowledge from these courses, rather BA and MA, and how they are using this knowledge is important. And so for that, their career depends on their utilization of knowledge. So it is the need to provide the opportunities to the students that where they can prepare they can go for their careers. Might be business or might be jobs also. As far as English language is concerned, then people says that English is a foreign language. But nowadays, English is just an important language for communication. And so every student, not only from the department itself, but all the students of the college should know and should speak in English for their communications in further. I request Professor Vijayji Shirsat sir to provide the knowledge to our students, to explain them the different opportunities of career in English, so that our students from this rural area will get the benefit of it and they can have a good career opportunities in their life. So I give best wishes to this webinar. I give best wishes to Vijayji Sirsat sir for their usual good talk, and to Professor P.R. Patil sir. I am thankful to you and your colleagues for organization of such a nice workshop. Always the English department take an initiative in such a activities run by the college. I am proudful for that. So best wishes for all. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, sir. The English department appreciates your motivation and support. Today we have a resource person, Professor Vijay Sirsat sir from NYNC College. It is my duty to introduce today's resource person shortly. Vijay Sirsat sir joined his service as an assistant professor at NYNC College in 2004, and he completed his MPhil on the topic Attitude of Western Characters Towards India as depicted in R.P. Jhabwala's A Backward Place and Heat and Dust. Currently, he is doing his PhD, and the topic of his PhD is Functional English Course in North Maharashtra University, Retrospect and Prospectus. And very soon, Sirsat sir is going to complete his PhD degree also. And his areas of interest are English language, Indian English literature, then body language, and personality development. So, without any further delay, I would like to invite Professor Vijay Sirsat sir to enlighten us with his valuable speech on career opportunities in English. Over to Sirsat sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Honorable Dias, the respected dignitaries present for this webinar, the honorable young and dynamic personality of BPR's Science and KC Commerce College, the principal, Dr. M.V. Bildikar, equally young and dynamic all of the college, as the honorable of English of the college. Am I audible? Hello, please let me know whether I am audible or not.
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Here I am getting the message that my internet is not working properly. I am getting that signal. Therefore, I ask you. Anyway, Professor P.R. Patil sir, the young, dynamic, and equally handsome professor of the English department in the college, my friend, Professor Ravi Borse, and a new hope of the English department in the college. Professor Bhamre and all the other dignitaries who are present for this webinar. First of all, I express my very deep sense of gratitude to you people for inviting me as a for considering me eligible for this honor. I thank you all. Friends, in his speech, Professor R.R. Borse mentioned that there is a cutthroat competition everywhere, in every field, and therefore we need to be alert in every way. We need to be, and education is the only master key to get success in that way. And therefore, here I would like to appeal all the students present for this webinar. There are about 64 participants. 64 participants have recorded their presence for this webinar. Here on this occasion, I would like to, now let me share my screen with you so that you can understand my concepts properly. Anyway, the topic given to me is career opportunities in English. Uh, I was telling you that, I was discussing that Professor Borse has mentioned in his speech that there is a cutthroat competition everywhere in the world. And therefore, we have to get ready for that. And English is the only, education is the only way to get ready for that. And therefore, here I would like to appeal to all the students present here that, friends, never leave your education incomplete. Borse sir, I am audible na? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Okay, thank you so much. I just checked it. Anyway,
Okay.
Friends, I told you that education is the only way to get success in the field. It changes our life at many levels. That is the importance of education, and therefore I would like to request you all to complete your education. Most of the students, they leave incomplete after graduation. But friends, only graduation has lost importance. If you complete your graduation and you pursue for job, you seek jobs, you will get jobs perhaps, but you will not get jobs with handsome salary. You will not get high profile job, and therefore it is necessary for you to complete your education after graduation also. That is, you must do your post graduation, and then only you will be able to get good job, high profile job with handsome salary. Now let me tell you which are the what is the potential of English language. Friends, English is known as a language of opportunities. Actually, many labels are given to English language. English is a global language, English is a language of computer, English is a language of science. But one expert has rightly used the word, the phrase, English is a language of opportunities. He has used that phrase, language of opportunities. There are so many opportunities. There are tons of opportunities. That is, I'm talking about job opportunities for the learners of English. And you have to enjoy the benefit of these opportunities. First of all, let me tell you how English is a language of opportunities. Friends, there is not any country, any state in this world where English is not being spoken. That is, this language is used everywhere in the world. This language is used everywhere in this world. There are more than 337 million people who use English as their first language. That is, English is their mother tongue or first language. 337 million people, their first language. This is the significance of English. That is, everywhere in the world this language is being spoken, and it is spoken, it is used in the most developed countries like America, England, Australia, and so many other developed countries, also known as the first world countries. That is, English is the language of the first world countries. It is the second language in many countries, including India. That is, it is the second language of the most of developing countries. countries, I would like to use the word developing countries for such countries. We know that India is a developing countries. It is not developed yet. 300 million people use English as their second language. This is the significance of English all over the world. We know that English is the language of computer. Friends, there is not any field where computer is not used. That is, computer is used everywhere in the world. And therefore, if you want to learn English properly, you must have, if you want to learn computer properly, then you must have knowledge of English language. English is a language of science and technology. English is a language of science and technology. English is a language of information technology, IT. We use the word IT. Yes. Friends, there is one expert, P. Shailaja, expert in English language. P. Shailaja has opined that the relationship between English and technology is symbiotic. That is benefiting from each other. That is, English has got a tremendous benefit of science and technology, and science and technology has got benefit from English language. And therefore, she uses the term, she has used this term symbiotic to define the relationship between science and technology. It is the language of the elite. Yes, today we know that if you can speak fluent English, then everyone looks at you uh, with respect. That is, you get respect if you know English language, if you can speak fluent English. And therefore, to get respect in the society also, if you have enough knowledge of English language, you get respect from the society also. And therefore, English is considered as a language of the elite also. These are the, this is the significance of English, and therefore English can be called a language of opportunities. Now, let me here tell you this important quotation by grammarians and experts in English language, Quirk and Widdowson. Quirk and Widdowson rightly say, English is the language on which the sun does not set. Its users never sleep. English is the language on which the sun does not set. Its users never sleep. This is opinion expressed by Quirk and Widdowson. Friends, this is not exaggeration. This is blatant truth. This is reality. And therefore, if you want to get success, you must have enough knowledge of English language. That's what I want to tell you here. I would like to tell you, I have developed my own website for the learners of English. The address of that website is www.ingedutech.com. www.ingedutech.com. That is the address of my website. There I have used this quotation on the cover page of my website. I deliberately told you it here. Now let me tell you, let me come to the point. The point of our discussion today is career opportunities after graduation in English. Career opportunity graduation in English. What can you do after completing your graduation in English language? Friends, if you have enough knowledge of English language, if you have enough command of English language, then you can pursue your post-graduation. You can complete your post-graduation quite easily, because most of the postgraduate degrees are available in English language only. And therefore, you must have enough good knowledge of English language. Then you can easily complete the courses like MBA. What can you do after your graduation in English? You know, this is the most popular degree, MBA, Master of Business Administration. Master of Business Administration. Friends, just a few years ago, the students of engineering, the students of science had a monopoly here in this field. That is, those who complete their B, those who have completed their BSc, only such students used to opt for MBA. But I would like to tell you, if you have good career in arts faculty also, that is, if you have enough knowledge of English language, you can pursue MBA also after graduation in English. You can complete your MBA also. And after completing this master's degree, you can get managing post in the corporate sector. You can get managing post in any national and multinational company, and therefore you can complete your MBA. There are different branches of MBA. They are uh, human resource, that is you can complete your MBA in HR. You can complete your MBA in finance also. There are so many branches in which you can complete your MBA, and this way you can get high profile job in the corporate sector. You can get a job with handsome salary. Salary matters because we cannot survive without money, and therefore if you want to get comfortable life, if you want to get luxurious life, which nowadays has become fashion, you must have good career, and MBA is good for that. This is one degree you can complete after your graduation in English. The next one is, the next course you can complete is MLS. Most of the students in our area, in our region, don't know about MLS. In our college, from our department, English department, there are more than 15 or 20 students who have completed their MLS, and they are getting good salary. They are enjoying higher positions in the corporate sector. I would like to cite here one example of our student whose name is Rupali Sanap. Rupali Sanap was our student, and she completed her MLS after her graduation in English, and now she has got the package of more than 32 lakh rupees per annum. The package of 32 lakh rupees per annum, it is, we cannot imagine it, that a student from rural area, a student from Marathi medium can get such kind of job and such kind of salary. She is enjoying a very good position after her after the completion of her MLS. In this way, friends, I would like to tell you here that you can pursue this degree. There are two colleges of MLA. There are two colleges of MLS in Maharashtra. One of the colleges is in Mumbai, and another college is in Nagpur. Every year, one or two students from our department get admission to this course, and they complete their MLS, and they enjoy managing posts in various corporate, in national and multinational companies. This year also, two students, Gaurav More and Nilesh Guge, we have got admission to this course, and I'm sure that their future is very bright. MLS is equivalent to MBA. MLS is just like MBA, and in this way you can complete your MLS also, and you can get managing post in the corporate sector. The next degree you can complete after MLS is LLB, Bachelor of Legislative Law. Friends, we people have misunderstanding that we haven't good career opportunity after LLB. That is, you have to work as a lawyer. You have to do your private practice after the completion of. But I would like to tell you that there are many posts of legal advisors in national and multinational companies also. As the students of MBA and MLS enjoy higher positions in corporate sector in the national and multinational companies, they get handsome salary. Similarly, the students of LLB also get a good job as a legal advisor in national and multinational company, and you can get handsome salary for that position. After that, you can even take the examination for becoming a judge. You can become judge after the completion of LLB. Just a few years ago, it was not possible for a common student to crack the MPSC and to become a judge, because there were so many hard and rigid rules for that. For example, if you want to become a judge, you should complete your 5 years practice as a lawyer, 10 years practice as a lawyer, and therefore most of the students could not enjoy this service in the past. But now they have changed their, that is MPSC, and this judicial field has changed their criteria for this post, and you can become judge at the age of 25, 26 only. You can even become judge at the age of 23, 24 only, because you can crack the MPSC after the completion of LLB, and in this way you can become judge also. If you have good command of English language, it is possible, it is easy for you to complete your this course LLB. It does not mean that this course is not for the students from other departments, that is Department of Marathi, Department of Hindi, Department of Geography. You can complete, the students from Geography department, the students from Marathi department also can complete these courses, that is MBA, MLS, LLB. But friends, if you are a student of English department and if you have enough knowledge of English language, then it is easy for you to complete these courses. Even though you are from other departments, you can do it. You can do all these courses. But if you are a student from English department, then it becomes easier for you. It becomes easier for you to complete all these courses and to crack the examinations like MPSC and UPSC for becoming a judge also. The next course which you can pursue is MSW, Master of Social Work. Actually, this course is available in both the languages, that is Marathi and English also. But if you complete your MSW from English medium, then you can get jobs in multinational companies also. Now you may ask a question, sir, can we get jobs in multinational companies, national companies after completion of MSW? Friends, yes, of course you can get job in the companies. This MSW nowadays has become equivalent to MBA also, and therefore you have very bright future if you complete your MSW also. Friends, you can complete your MBM also, Masters in Business and Management. Masters in Business and Management. This is the full form of MBM. If you complete your MBM, you can get a job as a computer operator. You can, you after certain experience as a computer operator, you can get a job as a sales executive, or you can even get managing post in a national and international company also, or multinational company also. Industry friends, MBA, MLS, LLB, MSW, MBM, these are the courses which you can complete your after your graduation in English. No problem if you are a student from other departments like Marathi, Hindi, and Geography, Political Science. Even though you are a student from these departments, you also can complete all these courses. But if you have enough knowledge of English language, and if you are a student of English language, if you are a student from English department, then then it becomes easier for you to complete all these courses, and therefore you must have enough knowledge of English language. If you must have good communication skills in English. Friends, you can even complete your MA, Master of Arts, and after that you can crack SET, NET, and you can complete your PhD, and in this way you can become an assistant professor in senior college. Yes, the coordinator of this webinar, Professor Ravindra Borse, has qualified NET twice. We used to study together. I myself have qualified both the examinations, SET and NET, and therefore we have been enjoying this position as an assistant professor, and this is the post of class 1 officer. In this way you can become a class 1 officer after the completion of MA, after cracking the examinations like SET and NET. Yes. You can even complete your PhD, and then you have so many opportunities after the completion of PhD. Yes, you can become an assistant professor. After that you can become principal of college. You can even get higher positions in the university also, and therefore friends, you can complete your MA, SET, NET, PhD in this field, and in this way you can pursue your career. B.Ed, nowadays people have got negative approach towards B.Ed. Actually there is so much competition in this field. After the completion of B.Ed, you can become a high school teacher, you can become a lecturer in junior college. In this way, even though there is a competition, we cannot ignore this aspect also. Yes, after that you can complete your AMED, Master of Education, and in this way you can become a lecturer in D.Ed and B.Ed college also. Friends, I would like to tell you that in Maharashtra there are so many government colleges. After the completion of MA, B.Ed, MEd, You can take all these examinations. You can crack examinations for assistant professors in government colleges, and after that you can even become joint director in the field of higher education, and in this way you can pursue this career also. Hotel management, you know, nowadays tourism, the tourism industry is flourishing, because uh, hoteling has become a lifestyle. Hoteling has become a lifestyle, and nowadays people like traveling. They visit so many um, hill stations like Mahabaleshwar, Nainital, Kodaikanal, and there this uh, tourism industry has got tremendous development, and there you can work as a hotel manager. Actually, we don't have enough knowledge of these things, and therefore we underestimate such posts. But friends, there is good prospects here to become a manager in national in hotel, where the international tourists visit. You can in this way complete your hotel management, and you can pursue your career in this field also. This is the most important point here. MCJ, you can complete your MCJ, Mass Communication and Journalism. Mass Communication and Journalism. This course is available in our university also. It is available in so many colleges and universities. There are some institutes which run this course MCJ. In this, friends, you can complete your MCJ. If you have command of English language, you can become a journalist in English newspaper. You can even become a journalist in a electronic media also. You can become a freelance writer also. You can become a columnist also. But for that, you must have good command of English language. And if you have such kind of degree, MCJ, Mass Communication and Journalism, then you have a good future. You have bright future, and therefore you can opt for this course also. You can build your career in this field also. If you are good writer, or if you are interested in writing, if you are interested in what is going on in the society, then this is the course for you. And therefore, friends, I would like to appeal here. We need good journalists, we need good writers, and we need good reporters also. And therefore, you can complete this course, and you can get that opportunity to become a good reporter, a good journalist also. In this way, friends, these were the postgraduate courses you can complete after your graduation in English. You can complete your MBA, MLS, LLB, MSW, MCJ, and so many other courses like that. And in this way, you can pursue your career after your graduation in English. Now, let me tell you the importance of English language in competitive examinations. Or if you are preparing for competitive examinations, then what could you do after your graduation in English? MPSC is good option for you. Nowadays, every student who takes admission to FYBA, FYBCom, or FYBSc has a dream to crack MPSC. Actually, we people have misunderstanding that if we offer so and so subject as a special subject, it becomes easy for us to crack MPSC. But that happens to be a misunderstanding of our students. That is not reality. If you go through the syllabus of MPSC, you will realize that if you have enough knowledge of English language, if you have good command of English language, if you know English grammar very well, then it becomes easy for you to crack MPSC. And in this way, you can become an officer in the government sector. In this way, there is one special paper. There used to be one special paper. Nowadays, they have changed it that for their criteria to some extent. But yet, English has not lost its importance in MPSC. If you want to crack MPSC, you have to study this subject at compulsory level. That is, English is compulsory for MPSC, and therefore you cannot ignore it. You must try to gain knowledge in English grammar, knowledge in English language, and in this way you can crack MPSC also. The next one is UPSC. Even though we can take this examination in our native language, that is Marathi or Hindi, we cannot ignore importance of English there, because most of the interviews of UPSC are conducted in English language. That is, the panel feels comfortable if you can speak and understand English language. And therefore, you will find one thing, that most of the students who crack UPSC have good knowledge of English, and therefore only for that reason they can crack this examination. They get success in this examination. In this way, you can opt for MPSC and UPSC also. Then Railway Recruitment Board, there also you cannot ignore the importance of English language. This is one competitive examination which you can crack on the basis of your knowledge after graduation, on the basis of your English knowledge. You can even crack the examinations in banking. Along with these examinations, friends, there are so many other examinations. That is examination in the Department of Social Welfare, examination in Police Department, examinations in there are so many fields are there. PWD. In this way, that is, you can crack these examinations. There is a special weightage given to this subject. That is English. Most of the question papers, there are 25% questions on English language, on English grammar, 25% questions on Marathi grammar, and 50% questions on your general knowledge, current affairs, and so many other elements like geography, political science. That is 25% weightage is given to English language in these examinations, and therefore you must have enough knowledge of English language. Many of our students fail MPSC, UPSC, or other competitive examinations which I mentioned now because they lack knowledge of English. We have one student, Sonu Shelar, from Ganeshpur. He is a student of functional English department, and now, or at present, he is an assistant in the Ministry of Maharashtra State at Mumbai. And he expressed his opinion that he could crack MPSC because of his because he offered English as a special subject, and he got that post because he had scored good in English subject, and therefore now he is enjoying that position. In this way, friends, this is the importance of English language, and therefore you can pursue your career in this way in that field also. Now, if you are not, if it is not possible for you to complete your post graduation, then what can you do on the basis of your graduation in English? How can you earn your living after your graduation in English? I would like to tell you now. Friends, there is a job as a receptionist in many hotels. Yes, many hotels and motels. There are so many jobs in there, and you can work there as a receptionist. They give you opportunity to serve them, to work there only if you can speak English fluently. Yes, that is now most of our students don't know that even the receptionists working in good hotels and motels get good handsome salary. They get a good salary. We people look down upon these such kinds of posts, but that is not the fact. Friends, this is the job which you can get on the basis of your graduation in English, and this is a job with good handsome salary. You can work in call centers also. If you can speak English fluently, if you can communicate in English properly, then you can get good job in call centers also. I would like to tell you that you can even start your own call center if you are in Pune, Nashik, Mumbai, and if you are in contact with the national and multinational companies, and if you have good experience of working in call centers, you can even start your own call centers. There are so many students from who know English language, and they have started their own call centers, and they have developed as entrepreneurs. They are developed as entrepreneurs. In this way, you can have very bright career in this field also. You can work as a teacher in English medium schools also. There are so many English medium schools where the teachers who can speak, who can communicate properly in English are required. So many vacancies are there, and nowadays we know that English medium schools are mushrooming. That is, in every town, in every city, perhaps English medium schools are more than Marathi medium schools. And in this way, English medium schools have become so much popular, and they need fluent teachers. They need teachers who can teach English, who can teach in English effectively. They need fluent speakers of English language, and therefore you can work as a teacher in English medium schools after your plain graduation in English. You can run your private classes also. If you conduct a survey on private classes, you will find that in every town there are at least 2 or 3 classes which earn more than 1 lakh rupees a month, and they are the classes of English language only. You will find it. This is reality. If you go visit the cities like Nashik and Pune, and if you try to know, you will come to know that there are many private classes whose earning is more than 10 lakh rupees a month, and they run classes on spoken English only. You can run classes for spoken English only. If you teach the students how, if you teach people how to speak English fluently, you can get good, you can have good earning. Many of my friends are running their classes in the cities like Nashik and Pune, and they are earning more than 5 lakh 6 lakh rupees a month. In this way, you have good prospectus in running private classes also. In this way, friends, you can complete your post graduation in the field of postgraduate degrees like MBA, MLS, MSW, MPM. After your graduation in English, you can even crack MPSC, UPSC, such kinds of competitive examinations after graduation in English, and you can grab job opportunities also after your plain graduation in English. You can get a job as a teacher, you can get a job as a receptionist, you can get a job, you can also work as an anchor, you can work as a freelance writer, and in this way you have so many job opportunities also after your plain graduation in English. I hope that you might have understood my discussion here. I thank you all for your listening to me. I thank Professor P.R. Patil, Professor R.R. Borse, Professor Salman Pathan for giving this opportunity to me to share my views with you people. I thank the Honorable Principal Dr. Bildikar sir, the Honorable Vice Principal Ajay Kate sir, and all the other dignitaries like Bhamre sir, Professor Ankush Jadhav, and those who were present for this webinar. I thank you, and in this way, I finish my speech here. I hand over this mic or session to Professor R.R. Borse sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your studious lecture on career opportunities in English. Friends, let's move towards the most important point of our program, that is the discussion. So I declare that the session is open for the discussion. The students can ask their queries, their problems to Professor Shirsat sir, right? If you have a problem speaking in English, you can use Marathi also. Right? Please ask your questions. You can raise your hands. Please feel free to ask your questions. Yes, Prasad Pawar.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are
Yes,
audible,
please
Prasad.
proceed.
So I have a doubt regarding MPSC exams that most of the study material is available in Marathi and there is a lack of study material in English. So how to manage such a situations?
Actually, Prasad, now you told that uh, English material in English medium is not available for the study of MPSC or for the preparation of MPSC and UPSC. That is not the fact actually. Material is available in English also. If you search on Google, you will find every kind of material, each kind of material in English. And nowadays it is very easy to get material in English, and internet is the best source for that. Therefore, I don't think that there is no material in English. There is a tremendous material in English. You just search it on internet. There are so many books also available in English language. That was the case in the past, but at present that is not the problem, I think. And therefore, what kind of material do you expect? Can you tell me?
Sir,
There are
related to Maharashtra history and geography.
yes, material related to Maharashtra history, geography. That material is available in English. There are so
Thank you,
many
sir.
books. There are so many books available. Even on internet, there are so many websites nowadays. If websites are becoming popular, you can visit the such websites. In this way, you can collect material. Yes. Okay. Anybody else?
Yes, please don't hesitate.
Now, Prasad asked a very good question. That material is not available in Marathi. If you have such kinds of questions, you feel comfortable to ask me. Feel comfortable to ask me if you want.
Yes, I appeal
Sir,
the student.
I have one
Participate.
more
Yes,
doubt.
please.
Yes, Prasad.
So what is the difference between the degrees of MBM and MBA?
MBM and MBA. Actually, MBA is course for the managing post or the post like sales executive and such kinds of posts in national and multinational company. And MBM, that is the actually the course of computer only. Yes, that is after the completion of MBA, you can get job as a sales representative or sales executive. You can get job as a manager in a company. After the completion of MBM, you cannot get such kinds of jobs directly. First of all, you will have to work as a computer operator. In short, it is a job, uh, it is a course to become a computer operator. And if you complete your other courses, there are so many other courses like the course of C++ and such kinds of courses. You can even become as a software developer. And after that, you can become a software engineer also. But it needs a tremendous hard work. It's a very good question actually. Many of the students get confused between MBA and MBM, but there is much difference between MBA and MBM. MBM is a course specially designed to become for becoming a computer operator. Especially, you get you get complete knowledge of computer. You can operate computer effectively after the completion of MBM. Anybody else?
Yes, Jay is there. Jay Sonone, proceed.
Yes, sir. If you told MLS course, but how many years course, sir? म्हणजे किती वर्षाचा असतो तो कोर्स?
It is a course of 2 years, Jayesh. It is a course of 2
Okay, sir.
years. Yes, yes. It is just like MBA.
Hmm.
Here
Okay, okay.
there is a
Thank you, sir.
message from Bharti Patil. Hello, sir. I just completed MA in English literature. So my question is, which course to do after post graduation? After post graduation, Bharti, you can crack NET and SET. You can prepare for NET and SET. Professor R.R. Bose is there to guide you there for this examination, SET and NET. He has qualified both the examinations. I also have qualified both the examinations. In this way, you can seek guidance of such qualified people, and in this way, you can prepare for NET and SET. You can even complete your PhD after master's degree, MA. These are the that is after cracking SET and NET, you can become an assistant professor. You can become assistant professor after completion or after completion of your PhD also. That is after MA, you can prepare for SET and NET, and you can pursue your PhD also.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Anybody else?
Anybody else, please? If you are having problem in English, then you can use Marathi also, but don't hesitate. Please participate if you have any problem.
तुम्हाला जर मराठीत बोलायचं असेल तर मराठीत बोला, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
Yes. कार्यक्रम तुमच्यासाठी आहे.
हा, दीपा पेंढारकर now asked which month taking SET NET examination. Actually, Deepa, there is not a particular month or any particular date when this examination, SET or NET, are conducted. NET is conducted by, and it was conducted by, earlier it was conducted by UGC, but now there is another agency which conducts NET examination. SET is conducted by Pune University as a coordinator agency of this examination. That is, Pune University works as a coordinating agency, and they conduct this examination on behalf of UGC. Generally, NET examination is held in the month of December and June, and SET examination, there is not a particular month or particular date when this examination is conducted, but after every 3 examinations, Pune University has to complete. Sorry, I think I lost internet connection. Generally, 2 NET examinations are conducted every year, and 2 SET examinations are conducted. What is STM means, sir? Please information. STM. STM is Sukeshni Mori asked me. I think it is HRM, Sukeshni. It is related to the course of MBA. HRM, Human Resource Management. That is a full form of HRM, and that is a branch in MBA. After the completion of MBA in HRM, Human Resource Management, you can get a managing post in national and multinational company also. Can you ask me directly? Sukeshni, don't post your message. You can ask me directly. Please ask me your doubt by using your mic.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Sir, I want to know more about MLS degree. Can you please describe it?
Yes. Vaishnavi, MLS is equivalent to MBA, and there are only 2 institutes of MLS in Maharashtra, and both institutes are government institutes. One is situated in Mumbai and another one is in Nagpur. If you want to get admission to MLS, you will have to take their, you will have to pass their entrance examination. That is entrance examination of both the institutes. Generally, every year in the month of March, April, they publish their advertisement. After that, you have to complete the process of filling up the form and you have to prepare for entrance examination. There are 3 steps of their entrance examination. The first step is written examination. The second step is group discussion. That is, you have to participate in group discussion and you have to show your best performance there. And then personal interview. These are the 3 stages through which you have to go to get admission to this course. And after the completion of MLS, you can get job in national and multinational companies. And these are most of the jobs are managing posts. Yes. Now, if you want more information about this, you can simply visit our department. And in our department, Professor Dr. S.D. Mahajan is there, our head. Every year we collect brochures from the students, from the past students, and we use the brochures to guide the future students. You can simply visit our department and you can get information there from Professor Dr. S.D. Mahajan. I will also help you in that regard. There you will surely get information there. And these are this is the basic information I gave you. If you want detailed information, you simply collect a brochure from Professor Dr. S.D. Mahajan from our department, and you can get complete knowledge of how to crack that their entrance test and so many things. You will understand the whole procedure there.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Anybody else?
Yes, please. Next one.
Very good. You are asking very good questions. Free, comfortable to ask, no problem.
Sir, I just got a message from one student, and that student asking about the prospectus after completing the courses like journalism.
Will you repeat your question? Will you please repeat your question?
Will you describe the prospectus after completing the course journalism, MCJ?
Okay, mass communication and journalism, MCJ.
Yeah.
Friends, in the beginning, you will get a job as a reporter after the completion of your course, MCJ. You can become a reporter in a print media. You can even become reported in electronic media also. After some experience as a reporter, you can work as a editor. You can work as an editor. Sampadak, we use Marathi word for that. After that, you can also get job as an anchor in electronic media. These are the job opportunities after the completion of MCJ. You can even work as a freelance writer. Friends, I would like to tell you that most of the writers are reporters or editors. There are so many writers who are reporters and editors. We have the example of Uttam Kamble. Yes, very good example, very glaring example. That is, first they became reporters. After that, they became editors. And after that, they became good writers. Yes, someone asked me.
पत्रकारितेनंतर चांगला स्कोप आहे, एक नवीन फील्ड जे आहे विद्यार्थ्यांना तिकडे गेली पाहिजे.
व्हेरी गुड. म्हणजे मला तर असं वाटतं की
टेलिव्हिजन, न्यूज चॅनल्स यावर पत्रकारितेला अतिशय चांगला स्कोप आहे, विद्यार्थ्यांना तिकडे वळलं पाहिजे.
हे डीएड आणि बीएड हे जे काही ट्रेडिशनल कोर्सेस आहेत ना, इफ यू कंप्लीट युअर ट्रेडिशनल कोर्सेस लाईक डीएड अँड बीएड, you will have to pay donation. Perhaps again you need to have Vashila. We use the word Vashila, favoritism. You need contacts to get a job. You need not to have such kinds of contacts. You need not to have to pay such kind of donation, and yet you can get a job. But there is a tremendous hard work. If you have mentality to work hard, if you have capacity to work hard, you can become a very successful reporter and after that you can become a very successful editor also. Someone asked me what is difference between NET and SET examinations. SET and NET. SET means state eligibility test and NET means NET eligibility test. If you crack SET, you can get a job as an assistant professor in Maharashtra and Goa only. That is, SET is a state level exam. After cracking SET, you can get a job in your state only. If you crack NET, you can get a job in all over India, in any state in India. It is national level exam. That is the difference between SET and NET.
Right, sir. It is available on internet also, the all information regarding NET and SET. So I have a announcement for the students. Dear students, we have shared a feedback link in our WhatsApp group. Please kindly fill that form immediately. And now I would like to invite my colleague, Professor Pathan sir, for vote of thanks. Over to Pathan sir.
Hello, am I audible to you? Okay.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Honorable Chief Guest, presented dignitaries, student participant, and my dear colleagues from department and other department. On behalf of English department and entire fraternity of the institute, first of all, my sincere thanks to our college Mauli, our principal Dr. M.B. Bildikar sir, that he always support us to take this type of event. I express my heartfelt thanks to our today's chief guest, my inspiration, energy source, my knowledge source, knowledge provider, and students. I want to tell you something that about VP Shirsat sir. He always motivate me from the 2011 when I was in FY BA. Okay. तर जसं मी तुम्हाला बोलत असतो ना की ऑप्शन इंग्लिश घ्या, ऑप्शन इंग्लिश घ्या, ऑप्शन इंग्लिश घ्या, इंग्लिश स्पेशल करा, इंग्लिश स्पेशल करा, तसंच मला सर बोलायचे अगोदर. ठीक आहे. आणि आज मी इथं आहे. त्यांचा आशीर्वाद आतापर्यंत इथं मला लाभत आलेला आहे आणि पुढे लाभेल अशी मी आशा व्यक्त करतो. ओके. That shared too much knowledge with us, sir. Thank you. Thank you to our dashing vice principal, IQAC chairman, A.V. Kate sir, that he support us and towards a supporting nature. Thanks to vice principals of PS Baviskar also. Thanks to organizing BPO and TPO committee and our Dr. Rahul Kulkarni sir also. Thanks to student participant and thanks to all the colleagues, all the staffs from other department, especially economic department. Okay, with a kind of permission, with a kind of permission, our president or principal, I declare that today program is over. आणि यानंतर तुम्हाला एक गोष्ट सांगतोय की विद्यार्थ्यांनो मला एक बोलायचं तुमच्यासोबत एक शेअर करायचं आहे. आपले जे गेस्ट होते आज त्यांची एक परिभाषा मी बोलायचं विसरलो. मी सरांनाही सांगितलेलं होती की शेअर सोबत मी तुम्हाला दादा रजा देईल सर, ऐकून जा 2 मिनिटं. ओके. खुलूस हो प्यार के मोती लुटा के चलता है, सभी को अपने दिल से लगा के चलता है, लगाए कोई कैसे इनका कद का अंदाजा, ये तो आसमां है मगर सर झुका के चलता है, असे आपले VP शिरसाट सर होते. ठीक आहे. विद्यार्थ्यांनो फीडबॅक फॉर्मची लिंक तुम्हाला पाठवलेली आहे. सगळ्यांनी आपले फीडबॅक फॉर्म भरायचे आहेत. ठीक आहे. द प्रोग्राम इज ओव्हर. थँक्यू ऑल. थँक्यू सो मच सर फॉर बिंग हिअर. थँक्यू.